Track and field athletes Oblique, Seville and Clayton were the toasts of the night as they were crowned National Sportsman and Sportswoman of the Year for 2025 at the RJR Gleaner Sports Foundation National Sports Awards Gala on Saturday night. Jermaine Brown reports.
Just as they did on the night of September 14, 2025 at the Tokyo World Athletics Championships in Japan, Oblique, Seville and Clayton sparkled on Saturday night as they walked away with the top honors at the 65th staging of the RJR Gleaner Sports Foundation National Sports Awards held at the Television Jamaica studios. 24-year-old Seville took home his first National Sportsman of the Year title for winning the men's 100 meters at the World Athletics Championships in Tokyo in a blistering personal best of 9.77 seconds. Seville got the nod ahead of Anthony Johnson, who won Jamaica's first ever gold medal at the International Practical Shooting Confederation IPCS Handgun World Championships. Seville joined a long list of track and field athletes, including reigning double sprint world record holder Usain Bolt and former world 100-meter record holder Asava Powell, to win the award.
In the past, there's a lot of athletes that get this trophy and be the Sportsman and Woman Award, that get the Sportsman and Woman Award. And Usain Bolt has shown his talent throughout this world and throughout the generation in the past. And this means a lot to me because it shows my talent and shows what I am capable of doing. So this award means a lot to me.
Johnson, who shot 100% on his way to gold at the IPSC Handgun World Championships, also feels he always had a shot at winning a national sports honor.
It's fantastic. I mean, I'm excited, elated. It's like a dream come true. It's like a story that started many years ago when I went to the JRA. Mr. Winston Fong invited me, and I've had various instructors and we have trained hard for many years, and some competitions didn't go 100%, but we just keep on pushing and it just got better and better and better and better.
21-year-old Clayton, who carved the silver medal in the 100 meters at the Tokyo World Championships in a personal best of 10.76, also notched her first National Sportswoman of the Year award. She won the award ahead of Sarah Mazer, who took the runner-up spot. Mazer took bronze in power boating in the 2025 E1 Series Championship for Team Blue Rising.
This award means a lot. This award has been on one of my long-term goals, so receiving it's an honor and I am grateful. Anybody told me starting this season that I would be Sportswoman of the Year and I would have won a gold medal, I would tell them no. But it's all by the grace of God and the faith that I had in Him, so nothing is impossible when you have Jesus.
Meanwhile, Mazer also won the first Breakthrough Athlete of the Year, a new award added to the categories. CONCACAF Caribbean Cup champions Mount Pleasant FA also won the first ever National Team Award. The late Alvin Campbell was honored with the Chairman's Award, while former West Indies and Jamaican cricketer Christopher Henry Gale was honored with the Lifetime Achievement Award. Horse racing derby winner I Dream Again won the People's Choice Performance of the Year award. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.